Have you ever thought about charging your devices anywhere, anytime, using nothing but the power of the sun? That's exactly what the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel promises to deliver, making it a game changer for adventurers and tech enthusiasts alike.
Today on Miss Reseñas TV, we're diving into the Goal Zero Nomad 10 solar panel. This lightweight, portable solar panel is designed to keep your devices charged no matter where you are, offering up to 10 watts of solar power in a compact, rugged design. It's perfect for camping trips, hikes, or just keeping your gear ready to go while you're on the move.
But let's be real, choosing a solar panel isn't always a walk in the park. Between figuring out the wattage, portability, and compatibility with your devices, it can feel like you need a degree in electrical engineering just to make the right choice. And let's not forget the nightmare of finding yourself with a dead battery in the middle of nowhere because your panel isn't cutting it.
So, is the Goal Zero Nomad 10 the solution to all these problems? In today's review, we'll break down its performance, ease of use, and whether it really lives up to the hype. Spoiler alert, it just might be your new best friend for off-grid adventures.
This rugged, portable power solution is perfect for outdoor adventures and emergencies.
The 9600 mAh power bank is dustproof and waterproof with an IP67 rating.
Equipped with an 18W USB-C power delivery port for faster charging.
Includes 2 USB output ports to charge multiple devices simultaneously.
Recharge from the wall or use the Nomad 10 solar panel for solar power.
Features a protective rubber sleeve, waterproof plug, and an emergency flashlight.
In conclusion, this kit, the Goal Zero Nomad 10 and the Venture 35 power bank, stand out for its portability, durability, and reliable power output, all at a price point that won't break the bank. It's an excellent investment for anyone who spends time outdoors or just wants a reliable backup power source. If you've used the Goal Zero Nomad 10, we'd love to hear your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. The Goal Zero Nomad 10 and the Venture 35 Power Bank Kit is available at the Amazon Store USA, Amazon Store UK, and Tienda Amazon España. Click on the link in the description video to order it.